I'll be reviewing the BenQ W2720i 4K LED Smart Home Theater Projector. If at any time during this review you're interested in checking it out for yourself at a great price, be sure to visit the links below this video. Ever dreamed of bringing the cinematic experience right into your home? Imagine watching your favorite movies in breathtaking 4K with vibrant colors and crystal clear detail without ever needing to leave your couch. That's exactly what the BenQ 2720i Smart Home Theater Projector delivers. This projector is designed to transform your living room into a premium home theater with its AI-powered cinema mode, automatically adjusting colors based on the lighting in your space and the content on screen. So, whether you're watching a bright outdoor scene or a dark, intense thriller, the picture remains stunningly immersive. And let's talk about color accuracy, because if you've ever been disappointed by washed out or overly saturated images, this will blow you away. The BenQ 2720i covers 90% of the DCI-P3 color spectrum and 98% Rec. 709, delivering studio quality accuracy straight out of the box, thanks to BenQ's factory calibration with Delta E to 3 precision. This means every shade and hue is exactly as the filmmaker intended. Now, if you're a fan of high dynamic range HDR content, you're in for a treat. This projector supports HDR10, HDR10 Plus, and HLG, giving you deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and more detail in every frame. And with 2500 ANSI lumens, you'll get a bright, clear picture even in rooms that aren't completely dark. But what's a great picture without immersive sound? The BenQ W2720i supports eARC and Dolby Atmos pass-through, meaning you can hook it up to a 7.1 channel surround sound system for that full theater effect. And with 3 HDMI 2.1 ports, connecting your streaming devices, gaming consoles, or Blu-ray player is incredibly simple. Now, no product is perfect, and one thing to consider is that the built-in speaker is decent, but not powerful enough to replace a proper sound system. If you truly want that full cinematic experience, I highly recommend pairing it with external speakers or a soundbar. With a 30,000-hour LED lifespan, easy setup features like auto screen alignment and digital keystone correction, and built-in Android TV, this projector is made for hassle-free entertainment. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or just someone who loves a high-quality viewing experience, the BenQ W2720i is a game changer. Ready to upgrade your home theater? Check out the links in the description below to grab this projector at a great price. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.